Gold and silver traded bearish yesterday, hitting the support zone at 26.30.32, the critical one here for the week, because below this 26.20 and then 2600 is possible. Can we expect more crash in gold prices today? And what about silver? See, silver has also seen getting support at 30-20 levels, very, very important levels here. So which position you should take trading gold and silver today, where to enter, where to exit, how to everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Big day today. The FOMC and the interest rate projections are going to be the driving factor today, and then later Chairman Powell's speech. All these three, definitely lot much of volatility, lot much of action will be seen during the US session. How to profit? Let's see. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Look at the formation here in gold. See, I can see bearishness getting diminished here. Look at these three moves, the bigger drop, and then the bearishness getting diminished here. However, I can also see that it is creating lower lows and it is trying to bounce back and retrace. Very, very important for gold to trade about 26.58.60 only and only if it trades above these two levels. You can say that the bulls are back. As long as 26.60 is not taken, we should not be considering gold as bullish. Very well. If you look at the formation here, now see, it is consolidated at around 38.40. It has moved towards 26.30.32, which is also the next support zone here. Any break below 26.30 should be a good indication that we are looking forward to further downside. Look at this channel here. It is trying to create a bearish channel here, where the lows are at around 26.30 and below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Moving averages are trading with divergence and staying bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is still in green. It is converged but not yet crossed over. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, when you see the 2 hour chart, see 20 period moving average is providing it a very, very good resistance. Thus, it is very important first for gold to trade about 26.50.52 and then about 26.60 levels. So these two levels are going to play a major role in deciding the future move for gold for the day and for the week. If you see it is staying about 26.52, initiate a buy. Be careful till towards 26.60, and if that is taken, we are looking forward to a greater reversal. Stochastic looking down. MACD is still under retracement. It is still rising. It is still in green. RSI almost flat. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation. The crossover here is very, very important. This is a bearish cross. The moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. The 20 period moving average giving it a very, very good resistance. And if you look at the move here, drop, retracement, and if it drops now below 26.30.32 levels, we can look forward to the next move, which is going to take it towards 26.24.25 and then 26.18 levels. Remember, if 26.18.20 is taken, we are looking forward to a move which can take gold prices below 2600. Stochastic rising, MACD almost at bottom. It has crossed over. It is trading in green. Little sign of bullishness here. RSI flat. On the 4 hour charts, remember one point here is, see, these two candles are very, very important. Now this could become the sign of reversal here if the current candle trades now below 26.40.38 and then below 26.30.32. So what will happen? Drop, retracement, and then now if it takes a direction from here, trades below 26.30.28 levels, we can look forward to a greater drop here. While you can see the moving averages crossing over here makes certainly indicates bearishness, and this also makes 26.60 levels as a crucial resistance for the day. So if you're buying at 26.50.52, be careful till towards 26.60. Stochastic rising. The MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is comfortable here. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. What has happened yesterday and how it has started today. We have seen a bearish move. It is closed in red. Lower highs are seen, and now it appears it can move towards lower lows, and the support zone here till towards 26.20 is very, very important. Below this, a greater decline can be expected. Right now I can see a bit of support coming in till towards 26.20 levels. We have to be careful till then. Also notice, once it trades beyond 26.60, this may become the reversal sign and we can look forward to a rise. So very, very important for gold to trade above 26.60, and not to forget that the swings are also possible. Huge swings are also possible. 26.80 on the upside, 2600 on the downside. This much wide range is possible. The news is definitely going to be the driving factor today. Another way to look at it is this. See, after this rise, it has shown a decline, then consolidation, then a rise almost twin top, and it is trying to drop again. However, I can say right now the momentum is missing on the downside and on the upside as well. So it is consolidating. We will wait for a breakout. Stochastic oversold. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI flat. So considering this, before I provide you the, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me. Write an email. Ping me over Telegram for your queries. Do join the free Telegram channel. And yes, if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account, lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, offers all the diverse set of instruments including indices, commodities, currencies, and crypto as well from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, I will recommend you to buy 2650.52, expect 2656 and 2660 as the two resistances. And once it trades beyond 2660, chances will be high that we may see this time 2670, 71, and in fact 76, 78 levels. If these two levels are taken, then 85, 88 should appear. And if that is also taken, stay bullish. It is a reversal. We are looking forward to 2700, 2704 as the next target zone, and then 2720. Chances for such a strong move appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2640, 38 levels. Expect 2634, 2630, 28 as the next, and then 2620, 18 as the third. If 2620, 2618 levels are taken today, stay short. Stay short. This time possibility is high that we may see 2600 levels soon, and in fact below 2600 is where major bearishness should prevail, taking it till towards 2580, 2550 levels as well. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. See what silver did yesterday is almost it has hit 30, 20, 30, 15 levels. And if you look at the movement, see, one thing is clear that the bearishness has got diminished. Second thing is clear that on the upside the resistances are pretty strong. Now it is important for silver to trade below $30 levels or on the upside above 3060. Only and only if this zone is taken, you can say either silver is reversing or it is taking a direction on the downside. So as long as it stays between 30 and 3060, you do not treat silver as either bullish or bearish. This is pretty clear. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The MACD is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI has dropped here. On the 2-hour charts, and the observation is more or less same. Look at the formation: drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows, possibility of a move towards 30 edges. 30 should be a very good support. So in fact, when you see silver trading below 30.30, you can take a selling entry, expect 30.15 and $30 levels as the next targets. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, the RSI is flat. On the 3-hour, very important to note the crossover here in the moving averages. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bearish. Also on the 3-hour charts, first reversal sign, first bearish candle, second bearish candle. And look at the move here, drop, retracement towards 20, drop, retracement towards 20. It is trying to form a double bottom. Possibility is there. And right now, in fact, it is possible that we may see it moving towards $30 levels. Be mindful of this. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD is still at bottom and it is still in green. So this is a good sign for the bulls. RSI slightly bearish. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, see, first of all, bullishness getting diminished after the retracement. 3060 very good resistance. 3070, 585 the next. And if this zone is taken, then 31 should be the strongest one. Any move above 31 today in silver should be a very good sign that we can look forward to 31.40.50 zone. Now see, breaking out of this bearish channel should lead to a move towards this zone at 31.40.50. Be mindful of this. Stochastic at top, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. Trading with moderate bullishness. See, it has seen a good drop. It can try to retrace. RSI is flat near to bottom. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, preceding candle, a doji candle. Also, this is the first bearish candle, and now lower highs are done. It is possible that it can create lower lows, and if it breaks below 30, it is going to deliver a massive move. Be mindful of this. Only bullishness today is if it trades about 3060, 3065 zone. As long as 3060, 3065 is not taken, we should be careful here. Beyond this, I will wait for 3075, 85 and 31. If those two levels are taken, you can say now silver is reversing. Else right now the stance for silver is pretty much bearish. The stochastic oversold here. The MACD has crossed over again and it is trading with divergence, is staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. So one thing is pretty clear. I will recommend only a buy it if you see silver trading above 36. In fact, you can buy at 3050 itself. When you see the lower prices above 3050, initiate a buy, but be careful of 3065 and 308085. These are the two levels which are going to remain crucial. Else, we are looking forward to 31, 3125, 3150 levels here. Beyond 3150, sky is the limit. While the stance right now is pretty much bearish, be mindful of this. On the downside, a selling entry at 30 levels itself you can take. When you see the higher price below 3030, you can take a selling entry. Expect 3015 and $30 levels as the next targets. Once it trades below 30, you can say more bearishness towards 29.7565 should be there, and then 29.40. Any move below 29.40 is a clear sign of a greater correction in silver prices, where in the near future, in fact, you can expect 28.40, $28 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my singers channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do watch the next update before the US session and before the FOMC. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.